would you like these sheep?
Welcome back to the Faithful Farmstead, where we as a family are reclaiming our roots. So Clint and I both actually grew up with sheep when we were younger. My only memory of them is being in the front yard. My parents used them as mowers, and I remember being chased by one. So that's my only memory. Clint had sheep when he was younger, but he vaguely remembers it. So to bring home sheep is a big deal for us, reclaiming our roots, and our kids will have memories of sheep as well. I'm not sure there is anything more satisfying than seeing an animal on grass. Like, y'all, it's just very fascinating to watch. They seem to go after, which I think is the taller stuff is milkweed. I'm not positive on that, but they seem to go for that first. But they are happy. Rachel, what do you think about the pigs?
Huh?
What do you think about the pigs? I mean, sheep. Can't keep track of what we did all this week.
I think they're cuter than the pigs.
Yeah, they definitely are. Carson, what do you think about the sheep?
Cool.
But they are gonna take care of this back pasture here. When we moved in, the weeds back here were like 6 or 7 feet tall. They were crazy. And we've been mowing it down to get some of the native grasses growing again. And this side definitely has a lot more weeds than what like this side does. So we're really curious to see what they eat, what they like. If any of y'all have experience with sheep, we would love to know all the things. Please tell us. We're excited to try this and see how we like it, if we like raising sheep, and we know we like lamb meat, which is the whole purpose of this. We can't do cattle here yet. So we're gonna do sheep first. The first grazing animal on our farm.
So for these sheep, we're going to be using a Redmond sheep mineral. It's a mix of different things, pretty much everything they need in one. And then it was also recommended that we use this conditioner for the sheep and mix it in with the minerals. This helps them digest their food and just helps them have a healthy gut. So let's get this ready for them. So I'm just going to do a little bit today, the first day, see what happens. So this is the sheep mineral from Redmond. I'm going to do 2 scoops, mix that in there. And we'll see how long that lasts them. Next thing we need for them is water. So I'm going to give them some water from our rain collection barrel. And if you haven't been with us very long, I have a video on me building this lean-to structure and setting up the rain barrel just for this purpose. So I'm pretty excited to finally use it for its intended purpose, watering animals. Stick that in there for them as well. Come on, sheep.
So it's fascinating. The Mennonite farm that we got the sheep from raised blue heelers. And when we were there, their blue heelers went out in the field and their sheep weren't fazed by it at all. And so far, our dog, they are wanting to follow her. Like if there was no pen here, I'm pretty sure they would just follow her into the pasture because they're very curious of where she's going and what she's doing.
So Tanya, the question is, are we gonna come sit out here and stare at the sheep all afternoon?
Most definitely. Maybe some coffee.
Oh, we should definitely make some coffee.
Yeah. it good.